What's up, guys? This is B-Side Investing. Welcome back to the channel. And so today we are looking at about $4,700, and I believe we're only down about maybe 2%. Yeah, so 2%. And today the market was just crazy because of the CPI data that came out this morning. And just look at all the red. That's ridiculous. So yeah, not many stocks are doing that well. So gold prices dropped sharply and then recovered. Some of the you have to look in this. You have to look at the CPI. It's really crazy. So let's see. Okay, so bingo, not much movement today. So we had some news with DeFi. DeFi was the only one that was up significantly for us. So they did have a news come out, so I'll do a video on that separately. But their wholly owned subsidiary, Weller Structured Products, announced record growth in asset under management for both BTC Zero and Ethereum Zero, with combined holdings surpassing $100 million in May 2021. So that definitely, that definitely kicked up the volume here too. So, okay. We also have some news with HUT8. Really not that surprising. I mean, if you've been keeping track with the company, you already know what they're gonna do. The NASDAQ listing. So finally, they have confirmed that they are filing with the NASDAQ. And since, if you look at here, Jamie Leverton, CEO of HUT8, commented that since we filed our F10 in March, we have been continuing to actively move forward with the NASDAQ listing process. We are incredibly excited about this, what this means for HUT8, and we are proud to pursue the opportunity to join the ranks of global technology companies listed in the US. So that was pretty much the highlight. I don't know why they're mentioning this, but obviously the TSX stock, that's not going to change anything. So it's just the OTC that will change. Yeah, that was it. I mean, there's not much here. They have their earnings coming out tomorrow, so I guess they just sent this ahead of this CPI and give it a little boost, the stock. And tomorrow we should see some boost too. So yeah. Next we have Bitfarms. It's currently down 3%. Not to worry, but they did become the first authorized micro-BT Watts miners service center in the US, in Canada, sorry. Surprisingly, I don't know if there is a lot of micro-BT like miners in Canada. Obviously the high-end version, it was just released in October 2020. So you got to think, I mean, how much is it going to break down? It's probably within the warranty. And then M30S Plus, the M30S, so 31S Plus. This was in December 2020, so yeah, they have really good miners. And if you can't feel it in my voice, like if you can't hear it, this is a freaking really great news from Bitfarms. This is pretty much generating like just skyrocketing their relationship with MicroBT. And what this is doing is pretty much getting them on the good side, and most likely when they have new miners out, they're most likely going to be up front in the line because they now have a relationship, so like a symbiotic relationship. So yeah, got to think about that. So Bitfarms have been making really great moves. I mean, can't deny the fact that the NASDAQ listing is gonna just skyrocket this stock up. Don't know how much, but really interested to see how much it'll go up. Kind of disappointed in our third biggest miner here. We got Hive, currently down 5%. Not much doing with Hive. I mean, this was 2 days ago. I don't know how I missed this, but they did a coin inventory update. Let's see. Okay, so they just gave it in US dollar, and there's no way for us to tell how much they have. But this is the thing, I don't understand what the hell they're doing. Like, it's like they're trying to play games with us, like they're an enigma. Like, just tell us what you have. What's wrong with this company, man? Damn. Like, Bitfarms, Digihouse, HUT, at least they give out the proper numbers. Hive, it's kind of annoying. I don't know, man. Anyways, let's just move on. I think that was it, right? So overall, just down about 2%. We have earnings tomorrow for Bingo and HUT8, and then we have I think that was it. Yeah. Right, so I did make a trade since the market was down. Just I think it was down like 4%, so down to 2.39 trillion market cap. I sold. I took this opportunity to sell some Solana and Cardano, and because Cardano I was taking some profits off, so, and I bought Bitcoin. So started a position in Bitcoin at a really favorable price, I would say. Let's see here. No, I don't want to go through there. I want to look at my data. There we go. So I bought it at 53.69, and I believe it came down to 53 point. I think it was around the lowest when I was buying it. So yeah, it was around the lowest, right? So good opportunity for me. Most likely, if I had more money, like put more in there to build a sizable position. But right now, I think what I'm looking at here in terms of here would be about 10. Yeah, so cake is about 10, so about 7 or 8% in Bitcoin for now. So that'll slowly go up, and Ethereum also slowly go up, and yeah, that's what you need to do now. So that's what I'm doing, at least. Polygon, taking profits when it's up 50 plus, and diverting that. And I bought Bakery token. Now Bakery token is up a bit, and I was gonna get Voyager token, but I'll buy that maybe next time. So right, so now we should see some recovery. PancakeSwap is also a good buy for me. Really good opportunity, down to 11%. So yeah, other than that, right, if you guys didn't check out the video about the purchasing crypto and altcoins in Canada, and you don't know how to do it, you can check out that video. It's the one before this, and I show you how to do buy, sell, deposit through Newton, and then into Binance, and then from Binance you can buy any crypto that you want that's within their own smart chain. So what you can do is you can look into the crypto and you can find out if it is in there. So I know for a fact that KuCoin token is not in there, so I can't buy KuCoin token in Binance. If you look at the market, it's not there. So it's only mainly on KuCoin, and that's how you find out which coin is in which market. So mainly the biggest market is Binance, so that's why I have Binance. So, and yeah, that's where I used to buy all the coins that I have in my portfolio here. So right, so if you want to use Newton, so you can check out that video. I can explain how to do it. And if you're new, you want to use the referral link, you get $25, and with about, I think, deposit $100 and trade $100. So yeah, if you deposit and trade $100, then you get $25. I think it's a really good deal. I mean, 25% on a $100 investment right away. I mean, you can just, if you don't want to use it, just trade with something and just take it out, and you can just get $25. I mean, that's a good deal. So yeah. Okay. Other than that, also have the link for WealthSimple if you want to use it, and Binance link is there as well. And yeah, that's it. Feel free to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.